Little storyteller.
Fluffy the bunny, with fur as white as snow, and floppy pink ears, hopped happily into Sunny Meadow Park. The sun was shining, and colorful butterflies fluttered among the bright red and yellow flowers. But something was very strange. The puddles on the ground looked like they were holding the sky. Blue and white clouds floated on the grass, where water should be. A little bluebird with shiny black eyes chirped from a low branch. Tweet, tweet. Look, Fluffy, upside-down puddles. Fluffy wiggled his nose. They're so strange. I wonder who made them like this. He decided to ask his friend, Barnaby Bear. Barnaby was sitting near the sparkling river, looking confused at the upside-down reflection of the trees in a puddle. Barnaby, Fluffy called, did you see who made the puddles look like the sky? Barnaby, a big cuddly bear, with soft brown fur, shook his head. No, Fluffy. It was like magic. Just then, they saw a little giggle coming from behind a big oak tree. It was Rosie Raccoon, with her stripy tail and bright, curious eyes. She held a shiny wand, made of a twig, with a sparkly leaf tied to the end. Hi, Fluffy. Hi, Barnaby, Rosie said, waving her wand. I made the puddles look like the sky. It's fun. Fluffy smiled. It does look interesting, Rosie, but we like to see our reflections in the puddles too, and watch the little fish swim. Barnaby nodded. Yes, it's a bit confusing. Rosie's ears drooped a little. She hadn't thought about that. Oh, she said softly, I just wanted to do something fun. Maybe we can have fun together, Fluffy suggested. Could you use your wand to make colorful leaves fall from the trees? Rosie's eyes lit up. Yes, that would be lots of fun. Rosie waved her wand, and red, blue, and yellow leaves fluttered down from the green trees. Fluffy and Barnaby giggled as the colorful leaves danced all around them. Then Rosie waved her wand over the puddles again. Swish, swash! The upside-down sky disappeared, and the puddles showed their reflections of the trees and the happy faces of Fluffy and Barnaby. Thank you, Rosie, Fluffy said. It's good to see the puddles the right way up again. Barnaby nodded in agreement. Rosie smiled. It's more fun when everyone is happy. They all played together under the colorful falling leaves. Did you know that rain puddles help small animals like frogs and insects have a drink of water?
Please subscribe. Thank you.